are you running courses at the moment?
Yes, well, what I've done, I'm not doing traditional courses anymore because I'm really interested in not just giving people bits of information, bitty bits, but actually helping them to really embed them and find new
Yeah,
richness in their practice. And so they're
yeah.
they're actually programs that are like mentored. So the next one launches on February the 2nd. We've just launched the bookings, and there's a 10% early bird discount till December the 15th.
Right.
On it. And then what happens is, like I said, I've done all of these lectures that are exactly like what are happening here, plus all these really high quality professional videos that show in real detail the handling, the cueing. So the wonderful thing is that, like with a face-to-face course, you can only give so much, but with online, that's taken away, and people can keep going back and perfecting. And then when they come back, and I still do some live teaching with you, but what I'm interested in, like, well, how's it gone? What has surprised you? What's really challenged you? And you also get to find out that the things that you're struggling with are the same things that everybody else is struggling with, from either understanding or just how you're feeling. And that's just incredibly empowering in itself,
Right.
to find out that you're not alone.
Yes. Yeah.
Never. And it means that over time we actually get that chance to help people to really go in with their patients and say, we're going to work with this, find out where the rubbing points are, come back and say,
So,
is it me or is it,
so
you
Joe,
know?
we're right on the edge of time. Where do people go if they want to know about this?
Okie dokie. So do you want to flip that last slide up for me, the second to last slide? If you come, there's a QR code if you can take a picture of it, but if not, just come to
But I'll send it out anyway.
info@gemsmovement.com.
I'll send it out in the email
Yep.
either later today or tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Yep. So I've launched the course. It's on links on the Facebook, GEMS Facebook. Don't go to Joanne Elphinstone. That's just family photos, but GEMS on the Facebook, at GEMS
Right.
Joanne on Instagram and LinkedIn. So
Okay.
come join me. And if you join the newsletter page, you'll get a little free mini masterclass download. And I've also got another downloadable of some of the really common persistent problems that come in and some movement solutions for it as well.